At Rev, we transcribe your audio or video files to save you time and money. To place a transcription order, go to rev.com, select transcription, and click Get Started. Upload your media files from your device or paste a URL. You can rush your order or add on timestamps or verbatim. Now go to checkout. Sign in or sign up for a free Rev account. Enter a payment method, and finally place your order. It's as simple as that. You'll receive your Rev transcript within hours. Try us out at rev.com.